My name is Nico. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Corgi. We're an insurance carrier that provides faster, better, cheaper insurance for startups. We have a call center that handles thousands of calls per day. Because we're a very regulated industry, the highest quality is necessary on those calls. So initially, we were quite suspicious of non-deterministic solutions, and we found that Bland handled our complex use case and our regulatory needs better than any other provider. Already, I've been blown away by Bland's integration time. It was only a couple days to get up and running, and things have been working extremely well. I see us scaling this to a very large extent. I think we'll go from thousands of calls per day to hopefully millions, and I can't think of a better partner than Bland to handle that. Insurance is an extremely regulated industry, and Bland was the only provider that we were confident had the guardrails to ensure that our regulatory needs were met, especially because they don't use OpenAI or any other provider. They use their own proprietary models.